Good evening, Rajendra. You are from which place?
Good evening, sir. My name is Rajendra Phpe. I am from the my hometown. My hometown name is Mahuli, which is in the Sangli district, Maharashtra.
Acha, you are from Maharashtra. Good.
Yeah.
Now, can you please tell me about yourself in detail because we have more time. You can talk
Yes,
to
sir.
me for 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much giving me this opportunity to introduce my own self over here. My name is Rajendra Pandit Phalke. I am from the small village called Mahuli, which is in the Sangli district, Maharashtra. Coming to my educations, I have done my schooling and HSC from the Vita School Vita, and after that I have completed my diploma in medical electronics from Government Polytechnic Mirrors. After that, I have completed my B in Information Technology from Shivaji University Kolhapur in Information Technology. After that, I take a job in IT field, and currently I'm working in the Tetra Pak India Private Limited as a global service analyst. I have total 5 years of experience in the same field. And coming to my professional certification, I have done my CCNA certification and Microsoft certification in the same domain. That's it.
Just a
Thank you.
minute. Can you tell us about your family?
Yeah. I'm coming from the nuclear family. We have total of 5 members in my family. My father, my mother, and two elder brothers, and both are married. My father is ex teacher in the ex primary teacher, and my mother is housemaker.
How many siblings you have?
I have two siblings, and both are settled in the private sector.
Acha, good. Two brothers or two sisters?
Two brothers.
Oh, that means your parents have got all the three ladkas.
Yes.
No ladkis.
No.
ठीक है कोई बात नहीं आप लोग का से या कम्युनिटी में अभी भी डाउरी देना रहते हैं दिस डू दे गिव डाउरी फॉर बॉयज और
Dowry
गर्ल्स
means dowry means you mean to say दहेज?
हाँ बहेज
नहीं होता है, अभी तो नहीं रहता है, मतलब हमारे यहाँ तो नहीं रहता है वो,
अच्छा
मतलब वो ट्रेडिशनल तो खत्म हो गया है वो.
रियली वेरी ग्रेट सो व्हाट हैज हेल्प्ड get rid of this dowry system?
Means earlier generation, before earlier generation, there are the means suppose any educated boys becoming the marriage, so they taken the some kinds of the money in terms of the uh, car, bungalows, in terms of that kinds of stuff they taken from the girls side.
Hmm.
That was the traditional method.
अभी क्यों कम हुआ कैसे कम हुआ
Due to the some, they are now educated, all girls as well, so they
Hmm.
want to be all educated boys, so they know the importance of the educations,
Hmm.
so
No,
they
no,
can also.
no, no. The answer for this can be that
Mhm.
nowadays women, girls are also educated. They
Mhm.
also get employed. So there comes no need for say any
Dependency.
dowry system and
Okay.
डिपेंडेंसी या इसलिए डाउरी सिस्टम कम हो रहा है ये तो अभी
अच्छा.
भी चलता है अभी भी चलता है इन सम कम्युनिटीज बट कई कई कम्युनिटी में नहीं होगा आई आस्क्ड स्पेसिफिकली बिकॉज ऑल द थ्री आर लड़कास फॉर योर पेरेंट्स ये
Okay.
हमने पूछा
No, no, and my sister-in-law are both are engineers, and they are also working in the MNCs.
oh
Yes.
excellent excellent very good Now you studied BE Information Technology.
Technology. Yes, sir.
So what are the different subjects you studied under information technology?
So, first of all, I coming to my diploma. I done my diploma in medical electronics. Okay, and after that, I took admission in the direct second year in the information technology. So for me, there is no first year subject for me because I took admission in the direct second year. So in my second year engineering, I have the M3 data structure, operating system, multimedia, computer networking, and uh, other sorry, and Java programming is it included in the second year, and after that in the third year they have the uh, uh, advanced CCNA, security, database,
Hmm,
and cloud computing,
hmm,
and advanced data structure.
hmm,
Mm, And IoT and technical means management both are optional. Means last we have the optional subject like management. We want to take management subject or cloud computing. So I choose the management for the scoring purpose.
hmm,
So for the in the management we take number of counts in terms of theory.
hmm, hmm.
And there are three language we learn: Java, C++, and advanced Java.
Mhm.
That's it.
What is an object file? How can you access an object file?
You are asking in the Java program, right?
C question.
C++.
This is coming at C question.
Uh, so actually, I heard about this term only because I'm currently working as a Windows admin, so I'm not in touch with the programming language. My current profile is a Windows Server admin. So in the
Acha,
and the
acha.
learn
We are already
exact
Windows admin. We are already
yes,
Windows admin. In which
yes.
company? Which company?
I'm in the Tetra Pak India Private Limited.
Tetra Pak India company. Is it an Indian company or foreign company?
No, it is foreign company
Acha. Headquarters in which place?
in the Sweden.
Good. What do they do actually?
Tetra Pak, it is a
Like that,
food. Hmm,
say fruity pack and all that. Correct?
yes, exactly.
उसमें आप लोग का क्या काम करते हैं आप लोग उधर?
So I'm in the infrastructure department as a global services analyst. Okay, so there are n number of applications with the in the factory as well and the users as well. So there are production is going on. If suppose they using automation software, okay. If suppose they are having some issue with their software, they call to us or they raise the chat with us using our chatbot, and I have facing this issue, this application is not working. So kindly look into this. So we take
Acha,
a remote.
now please correct me. Tetra Pak is nowadays made fully automatic.
No, it is still manually working is going on, but they are moving into the automation. Mm, In
How much
India,
how much of it is automated? How much of it is manual?
you mean asking about the production or it is in?
Production.
So I'm not the part of the production. We are the only supporting the production application only.
Acha, come
Yes.
on, tell me, in the matter of production, your applications are used for how much percentage of production activity? Say 20%, 30%,
No,
40%.
almost, I would say it almost 75% because they have use uh, n number of application which is customized applications, I would say.
No, no,
Means
I can follow it. For example, see, your job is only to make out packs. I mean, your company is making only packs.
right.
And that packs, the question of it being printing, then it being put into flat form, then made into a box like thing. Probably
No,
all those things will be done by automatic.
no, they have machinery for it, so it is automatically happen. But they are using if suppose that operator using the laptop or computer. Okay, they want to, if suppose some packages is going already done, if they want to dispatch this uh, package to the another logistic, okay, and for the logistics they are using the SAP application, for example, and if suppose SAP application having some issue that they are not able to create the PO or SO, okay, so for that as SAP application, I'm able to support them. If SAP is not working, SAP print is not working, printer is not working. So for
Okay.
that SAP application, I'm supporting like that.
So you studied C, C plus, and also Java.
Yes,
But now
during the
you are
during the
now degree days during your
yes,
graduation. Now
yes,
you are more conversant with the Windows desktop
yes,
administration.
yes,
Can
sir.
you tell me what is the role of a Windows administrator?
Yes, sure. Windows Administrator, it means it is supporting, installing, and monitoring all this server, desktop, and printer, and maintaining on the daily basis, and this checking all this stuff. So with along with the ISPs, if
Mm,
supposing uh, internet is speed is slow,
mm, mm.
and checking the hardware peripherals, it is working well or not. If it is suppose it is any breakdown with the hardware,
Mm,
we check with the vendor and replace it on the time.
mm. Very good. Now I think here some more point has been given. They are responsible for data security, configuring user access, and maintaining the stability of the system. I think this, you know it, but you did not spell it out clearly. Your job is to maintain data security
Mhm.
and also configuring user access.
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
I can't recognize that terms actually when I'm thinking in my mind. So
Yeah, I
I'm
know.
not
I know.
I can't recall that terms
Yeah,
technically.
technical
I'm
term.
doing the same job, but I'm
I
not
know. That is what
recalling
that's
that.
what I am telling. आप आपने तो यही काम करते हैं, लेकिन बोलने का नहीं आया आपको. अभी पढ़ लीजिए
Uh,
इसको एक बार.
okay. The Windows administration, known as a Windows system admin, are responsible for installing, managing, and upgrading the Windows-based system and servers within the company. They are also responsible for managing data security and configuring the user's access and maintaining the stability of the system.
So now what is the Windows we are using? Windows 11.
Yes, both Windows 11 as Windows 10.
Oh. Why are you continuing to use 10? Why can't you switch over to 11 in your company?
So if suppose we are directly switching from the Windows 11, 10 to 11, we need to migrate their data from this. So there is a huge data on the user machine. First of all,
Oh.
we need to take a backup. Then we can migrate from the Windows 10 to Windows 11.
Mhm.
So we have some schedule for the every
Always
department.
working. Your company
Yes,
works 24 by 7 or
yes.
16?
Our product, yes, 24 by 7.
Oh, Baba. Great. How many people work in your company?
There are almost more than 3,000.
Achha, how many of you will be working in this system
Uh,
administrator or computer roles?
I'm just belong from the global service desk. We have the 22 people's team for the global service, the first line support, and from the second line support, they have the bifurcate the depending on the issue. Like network have the separate team, server have the separate team, uh, knock have separate team, security have the separate team.
Are Baba.
So I
अच्छा
so
जी.
I am belong.
but
Yes,
that means you are responsible for global service का मतलब आप लोग का
ye-
शिफ्ट
yes.
सिस्टम में काम शिफ्ट सिस्टम में काम चलता है ना क्या? और
No, no.
एक ही समय पर आएंगे.
No, I am belong from the India, so I follow the Indian time. So
Oh,
after our shift is end. So from the US shift will be started. From their guy login at the time we give to them handover. After that, I will log out.
अच्छा अच्छा, all of you use the same desktops. I mean,
No, we
the
have
desktop you are using, the next USA fellow also will be using, or he is given some other system.
no, they are using Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. Okay,
No, no,
we are using,
I
yes,
am asking,
exactly, yes, Windows 10
I am
and some
asking, are they given different
no, no, same.
कंप्यूटर्स टू डिफरेंट
No, no.
कंप्यूटर्स टू यूज? और जैसे एक सिनेमा में होता है, हम लोग 1 बजे से 4 बजे शो देख रहे हैं, हम लोग बैठा हुआ है सीट पर, बट 4 o'clock somebody else comes and sits in the same seat to watch the movie. So आप लोग का सिस्टम कैसे है? आप लोग
No,
each one is given one laptop, और
yes, they
uh,
can sit anywhere. They can sit anywhere. Okay, so there is no bifurcation with the difference. Though, if suppose I have my laptop, I can sit anywhere. We have the uh,
स्टिल यू हैव नॉट आंसर्ड माय क्वेश्चन. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था, एक्स लड़का को एक लैपटॉप, वाई लड़का को दूसरा लैपटॉप, ऐसा चलता है?
हाँ, यस यस, नहीं नहीं, सबको अलग अलग लैपटॉप है, सबको अलग अलग लैपटॉप है.
ये पॉइंट तो पूछ रहा हूँ.
Okay, okay, I
I
thought
know,
कि
I know you
okay,
will be having a key to get into your system. That is all. I know that,
okay.
but then I was having a confusion. Is it that there will be one computer which will be used by you as well as by another person after your shift? So I saw
No,
to
no,
system.
everyone have the separate laptop.
Excellent. Good. This is the question I wanted,
Sorry.
and you clarified that very well. Yeah. Now, um, yeah. Now tell me, um, how you can be of use for us in our bank. You are joining Bank of Maharashtra.
Okay,
How you will
so
be of use to us? How your experience in computing will be of use for us in our bank?
okay. First of all, I'm the Windows certified admin. Means I have completed my Windows Server admin, and also I have completed my CCNA global certification in routing and switching. So I have that much of skill of the Windows with apart from the client server machine as well as a Windows server machine. So I can able to find the root cause of the every uh, problem. So if suppose I can't able to fix the final solution of the Windows machine, so I can able to uh, raise the ticket with the Microsoft as well. So that much of skill I have.
Mhm.
And in terms of networking, I have the uh, routing and switching skills also I have. So I know the means so what I can say
What is,
network security stuffs.
can you, I am a layman. Can you tell me what is routing skills? What is switching skills?
Means routings means if suppose we want to connect globally with another networks means routing means we can able to connect geographically anywhere using routing methods.
Mhm. So that means you have passed a Microsoft certification.
Yes, means it is already outdated now. It is Microsoft not giving any certification for this window because it was Windows Server 2012.
Mm.
Now it is decommissioned from the Microsoft actually, but they're just providing the training only, not giving the certification right now. When it
Mhm.
was launched, I was completed it, but still their terms are same.
Now, please clarify me, is your role and role of an architect expert, are they different?
Yes, both are different. Architect means they can uh, doing from the scratch. They build the structure and they can implement the solution.
Mhm. So that means You come after their building and other things, correct?
Yes, means my role is only supporting to the existing user and real-time issue with the hardware and software only. That is
Ex Super, super. Now I understood. Now tell me how your knowledge will be of use in my bank.
uh yes, I would say yes,
What you will
because
be doing. Supposing I
yeah.
give you employment, imagine you are employed.
Mhm.
Tell me what are the things which you will take care of in my bank.
First of all, as per my understanding, for the Windows admin have the posting in the data center or maybe in the zonal office. If suppose I posted in the zonal office, so the zonal office they are having their assets like printer, laptop, and monitor, and ATM machines and printer machines. Okay, if suppose their in printer is not working, means or customers unable to take print from the printer, so I can able to check that printer why it's printer not working. First of all, I check the drivers it is updated or not with the latest version, so I can update with the latest driver. This is the issue with the printer, suppose. And
Excellent.
suppose
Yeah,
and
yeah.
suppose
But is it not the job of a mechanic? Say
no no no
normally such services are given to some vendors. Do they not
no
take care of this?
no because of personally I visited the Bank of Maharashtra and asked for the role for this one. For the
Mm,
vendor, they have only for the ATM machine
mm.
maintenance only, like electricity, AC maintenance. For
Oh,
the yes, and for that kinds of maintenance, they bought from the third party only.
so now very good. It is good that you visited one of our branches or head office.
The head office.
Head office. Good.
Yes.
Excellent. I'm very happy. Do
Thank you,
you
sir.
think your technical skill alone is sufficient for you to function effectively as a work desktop administrator, or certain other skills are also required?
Uh, I think it is enough skills I have, but I am currently in the learning phase. I can adapt new technology as well, along with because now Bank of Maharashtra as well as other Indian banking have adapting the new technology, so I can learn
What are
more
the
thing
new
as well,
what is the new technology adopted?
like cloud computing. I
Mhm.
I would learn after this one because
Yeah. Now,
currently.
what do you know about Finacle?
Okay, Pinnacles, it is in terms of it is include two terms actually. Pinnacles means uh, it is developed by the actually TCS, and which is used in the bank software like transaction,
Wrong,
deposit terms.
wrong. Finacle is written by Infosys. Finacle is a have you heard about this? Core
Yes,
banking software.
yes. Finacle and Bankers are the core banking
Banks.
software.
Another one is
Bankers
TCS Banks, BANCS. So
and
that is
bankers. Yeah,
written by TCS. This is written by Infosys.
process.
Both are core banking solution. Can you clarify what is a core banking solution? Because this
Uh,
is a very simple concept. Even normal probationary officers will know it. Have you not heard about this?
Yeah, I heard about this in terms of only application names. Means Finacle and then Bankers and
No, no. पूरा
uh,
ये पूरा अब जानना जरूरी है.
yes,
Core
I will, yes,
core banking solution India.
yes. After this meeting, I will go through
Yeah,
this as well.
ये तो पूरा पढ़ना है जी. See, for example, core banking system is the banking solution. I will show you. Core banking system is the banking solution that enables banks to provide centralized services to their customers from any of their branches. It revolutionized the banking sector when it was conceptualized and implemented through the 1990s? There are so many questions here. Which core banking software is used by Indian banks? Examples of core banking software used in India include Finacle of Infosys, CBS by, I know, but I heard it as banks, BANCS, but here it is given as CBS. Please check it up. Then
Yes, yes, I will.
FlexCube by Oracle Payment Systems. The National Payment Corporation of India operates the manages various. Yeah. What is core banking solution examples? The same thing has been given. Examples of core banking or processing credit, loans, deposits, mortgages. These services are made available to customers by the banks through various channels like mobile banking, branches, internet bankings, and ATMs. Is Indian Bank core banking 100% core banking solution compliant? Tamil Nadu Grammar Bank also core banking. What is core banking solution platform? Again, same thing they will repeat.
Okay.
Then
Okay, I
ये
will
ये
read
ये
upon
पूरा ऐसा में भी आप सर्च करने से आपको बहुत कुछ क्वेश्चंस आएगा, इसको आप कर सकते हैं. You can update yourself. No, the extent of usage of core banking, it differs from bank to bank. There are some banks like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank and all, they process the proposals online itself. Because everything, a big project is put into the computer. Once it is done, they are able to process it. But some other banks, they still follow the hot copy system of papers being forwarded and all that. But your role as Windows Desk Administrator, which, as you said, will be in head office or in zonal offices, where you will be taking charge of the various computers being used
Yes.
by people for various purposes, like say day-to-day operations, or say printing, or storing, or day beginning, day ending. I don't know how they call it. You please check up from those people what are the terms to be used for beginning transaction. What is that?
Okay.
Booting. Windows
Yes.
first
Yes.
booting, then closing. All that you check it up. Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
So this much, if you check it up, you will know and you will be able to do. No, but that means right now you are not comfortable with, say, the Java language and all, because you have lost touch with that, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you are into this line, now please tell me what is the topography used in banking?
Can you repeat, sir? I can't
Yeah,
get your
sorry.
question.
I am using wrong word. Every time I use a wrong word. What is the topology used?
Okay.
Uh,
Uh,
no, I don't know why this topology. I always use it as topography and confuse the candidates.
okay.
Topology. Which topologies are there? Which topology is used in our networking in banks?
It is a star topology used in bank.
Excellent. What are the other types of topologies that are there? Why we are not using them?
Okay. There are bus topology, star topology, mesh topology, hybrid topology, and ring topology. Ring topology as well.
I have not given you these questions because they are normally asked for other interviews only. फिर भी आपको use हो जाएगा ये वाला. I will show you this. Are you seeing something on the screen now?
Yes, yes, sir.
These are the questions that were asked in Cloud, Punjab and Sindh Bank.
Okay.
Please, can you answer some of them? What are the advantages of cloud and its disadvantages?
Okay. Its advantage of a cloud means we can.
Did you get this material from me? No.
I see on your video actually
Acha,
these questions.
these are
Yes.
available in videos. Correct.
Yes.
No problem. However, you send
Okay.
a message to me. I will try to send this. Some 9 to 11
Yes,
pages.
I
You,
have this much of question. I think you sent me previously, but I
acha,
have
acha.
few questions, and I go through this as well. I know this some stuffs,
Acha,
but
acha. Good.
I'm not very well confident about this because I'm getting confused of this because I'm not giving any interview on the panel. So I am
No, no,
not actually.
but you cannot prevent them from asking about what is a firewall.
No, I know. Yes, I can give the all of this answer as well from the along
Which
with the
questions you can answer me? No,
okay
don't tell.
from the cloud.
You don't
Cl-
have to tell me everything. Question number
Okay,
one, you
cloud.
can. Question
Okay,
number
yes,
one.
cloud.
Question
Yes,
number
cloud.
two,
No, one cloud.
one only. Please answer.
Okay. So advantage of cloud is it is we can able to access from the anywhere. That is the first advantages. Means it is based on the networks. Anywhere we can able to implement the cloud. So
Hmm,
from anywhere we can able to access over the internet. If
hmm,
suppose our data center in the US and I'm belonging in the India, so I
hmm,
can able to access from the India as well
hmm,
over the internet. And second, it is a scalable. Scalable means we can able to use the any resources as per the our requirement. If suppose we don't want to uh, use the any resources like VM or any gateway, so we can reduce that as per the our requirements.
hmm,
And another is
hmm.
I can't remember
Just a
the.
minute. One phone call is coming. Hold on. Hello, மாப்பிள்ளை சொல்லுங்க. ஓ, கிளாஸ் இருக்கா அவளுக்கு?
Vishwanathan, are you there?
Yes, bro.
Hi. You're coming for the which interview?
I am from Federal Bank, bro.
Okay, and for the which post?
Clerical.
Okay, okay. So
And
when
you,
you
bro?
have the, I am from the Bank of Maharashtra.
You are from Maharashtra. Wa?
Yes, yeah, for the scale 2 IT officer.
Oh, okay, okay.
So when you have the interview?
On November 4th.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, no issues,
Some
sir.
other, my grandson is not getting up. So I have to go and make him get up. That's okay. Nice. 1 minute. Yeah, tell me that was cloud architect. You could answer that question nicely.
Cloud,
No,
but I'm, sir, but I'm not
happy.
clearly happy with the answer because in the morning I studied about all these terms, but I can't recall all these terms because
Which date is your
I'm
interview?
on the next Friday, upcoming Saturday on 27.
You have a lot of time before you.
Yes,
Please
I
take
yes
leave for 1 or 2 days
yes I
and
already taken leave for
and
the whole
and,
week.
and practice by talking over
Mirror.
a mirror. Correct. Standing before a mirror. Now you see,
Okay.
my system is not responding. Tell me, as a Windows test administrator, what is the reason for this? Come on.
Okay. So first of all, you can just press
No, what I did,
Alt Control Delete. You can just
no,
press Alt Control Delete. You can able to open the Task Manager, and you can just close all these application which are not responding. Just
which
click on that.
no, this one, no, use here. Now it has come. Now it is coming.
Okay.
Now it is coming. Yeah, but this, in fact, this has got 16 GB. What is that? ROM, ROM.
Okay. RAM.
16 GB.
Okay.
And in spite of it, it is coming like this. अच्छा जी,
Okay.
आपका
So
ना, 1 minute, आपका number बोलो 97. Don't tell me full number. 973. I got it.
9730.
I got it. I feel obliged, so I am giving it to you. Some 11 pages material I have now given you in your system. All this
Okay.
that is available before me, I have given you, and
Yes.
I am not equipped to teach you, but these are the type of questions they can ask, the extent of confidence with which you speak, and the happiness with which you take their negative expressions, that will bring you the job. That's all, very simple.
Okay.
हाँ, फर्स्ट थिंग दे विल टेल यू, आप उधर से इधर क्यों आ रहे हैं, बिल्कुल
Okay.
सबको जानते हैं रीजन. दैट द
Okay.
रीजन इज वन, द लैक ऑफ सैलरी इन द प्रेजेंट जॉब. नंबर टू, परमानेंट जॉब इन द बैंकिंग सिस्टम. ये तो जानते हैं, फिर भी यू हैव टू आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन suitably. See this question, what an absurd question is this. Do you think this position is suitable for you?
Yes, sir.
बिना
Yes.
suitability, why should I apply? No,
Yes.
but
Actually, I'm eligible for the two posts for the Bank of Maharashtra. Okay, but there is
only one you can
they
apply.
yes, because why? Because they mention desirable and essential. So I have the certification for the Windows Server. That's why I just mm, apply for this one. If suppose another candidate have the uh, same certification,
Mm.
so I'm his competitors, and I have the another certification as well, the Cisco certification,
Achha,
global
good.
certification.
Now this question
That
is an absurd question. Why you want to these things I will ask in your next interview, and थोड़ा prepare कर दीजिए, so that
yes, sir.
I can ask anything that comes to my mind.
Yes,
I will ask you how atom bomb is prepared. If you know,
yes.
you tell me. If you don't know, you tell me I don't know.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
So which
Okay, sir.
date you want for next mock interview? Next
Uh,
Friday or Saturday?
no. On the next side, Friday, I already interview on the 27th.
Oh, acha. Then shall I make it 25th for you or
25th.
24th for you?
24 is fine, sir, because I need to prepare. I for the tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I will prepare myself along with the confidence, because I have lack of confidence right now. Because
I
I already prepare.
I
I
have
already prepare.
I will make it 7 p.m. for you.
Yes, sir. On the 22. Sorry,
24th,
24th. Yes, 24th.
24th, 7 p.m. Now I know this is going to be a formal meeting only. Now you
Mm.
know which type of questions people can ask,
Yes.
and
So,
some of it related, some of it not related to your computer also. Now suddenly they will ask you what is CBDC, what is cryptocurrency.
yes, I know about the CBDC, sir.
Yeah. So the like that, what is FATCA? What is packet filtering in firewall? What is ARP? What is RARP? But you may be thinking some of these are not relevant, but this is
No,
how.
these are relevant for me actually.
अच्छा, थोड़ा पढ़
These are
लीजिए,
all yes.
थोड़ा ये सबको पढ़ लीजिए, and पढ़ के अब आ जाइए, so that I can ask them.
Yes, sir.
Best
So how
wishes.
can I, sir? Yes, sir.
Yeah,
How can I, sir, build up my confidence? Because
no. Look, what is your name? Proper.
Rajendra.
Rajendra, you are one of the able persons. First reason, shall I tell you why? I allotted you 6:30 time, and you were here just before 6:30 also, and you wanted to take it up keenly. So that is a plus point. Okay. That
Okay,
is a
sir.
positive sign. What is your father, you said?
My father is a retired teacher actually,
You told me.
primary school teacher.
आपने बताया था. Good. No. But your present pay packet, how much?
It's plus 10.
Plus 10.
Yes, sir.
10 plus.
Yes, sir.
तब क्या पागल है, उधर से इधर क्यों आ रहे हैं?
Actually, there
अरे
are
भाई,
because
ज-
I'm in this company from the almost 4 years.
हम्म,
Okay, so in just frankly speaking, there in the private companies there are politics is happen actually.
अरे बाबा, do you want me to tell that politics is
No,
more
no,
in?
no, 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 no. I'm just as a friendly. I'm just speaking this.
No, 1
So
minute. I will close this recording.
okay.